Most men think prostate problems just appear with age. But what if I told you that one silent vitamin deficiency could be slowly damaging your prostate, right now?
And the worst part? Over 70% of men over 50 are deficient, without even knowing it. Today, we'll reveal which vitamin it is, how it affects your prostate, and how to fix it naturally before it's too late. Stay until the end. We'll show you the daily habit that restores this vitamin naturally and protects your prostate long-term.
Your prostate isn't just affected by hormones. It depends on nutrients that regulate inflammation, cell repair, and immunity. One in particular acts like a gatekeeper for prostate health.
This vitamin helps control inflammation and supports hormone balance. When you don't have enough, your prostate becomes more vulnerable to enlargement and even cancerous changes.
Studies have linked its deficiency to increased prostate-specific antigen, PSA, levels, and higher inflammation markers, both major red flags. If this sounds serious, hit the like button. You might help another man learn something that could save his health.
Yes, we're talking about vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Despite being essential, most men today don't get enough sun or dietary vitamin D to stay healthy.
And here's the shocking part. Low vitamin D has been linked not only to prostate issues but also to fatigue, depression, and low testosterone.
Your body produces vitamin D when sunlight hits your skin, but after 40, that process becomes less efficient. Combine that with office jobs, indoor habits, and sunscreen, and deficiency becomes almost guaranteed.
Here's what the research shows. Vitamin D helps your body regulate cell growth inside the prostate, preventing abnormal cells from multiplying.
It also reduces inflammation by lowering cytokines, those chemical signals that trigger swelling and discomfort in your urinary system.
And low vitamin D levels are found in up to 90% of men with prostate enlargement. That's not a coincidence, that's a warning sign. In a minute, we'll show you how to test your vitamin D levels at home and what number you should aim for.
First, get tested. Ask your doctor for a 25-hydroxy vitamin D blood test. That's the gold standard.
The optimal range for most men is between 40 and 60 nanograms per milliliter. If you're below that, you'll likely benefit from a supplement.
Most experts recommend 1,000 to 2,000 IU of vitamin D3 daily, but some men may need higher doses under medical supervision.
And here's the natural way. Spend 15 minutes in the morning sun daily. It not only boosts vitamin D, but also improves your mood and hormone balance. If you're finding this helpful, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We post every week to help men protect their health naturally.
Vitamin D works even better with magnesium and vitamin K too. They help your body absorb and use it efficiently.
So if you're taking a D3 supplement, look for one that includes K2, or make sure to eat leafy greens and nuts. They're natural sources.
Let's recap. Vitamin D deficiency is one of the most overlooked causes of prostate inflammation, fatigue, and hormonal imbalance.
Get your levels checked, spend time in the sun, and if needed, supplement smartly. Your prostate, hormones, and overall health will thank you.
And remember, prevention starts with awareness. If this video helped you, share it with a friend or family member.
Don't go yet. Click the video on screen to learn the best foods that shrink an enlarged prostate naturally. See you there.